In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send quotes and invoices in Monday.com. We'll set up the built-in Quotes and Invoices view so you can generate polished documents from the work you already manage on your board and send them to clients in just a few clicks. First, open any board that tracks your deals, projects, or orders. This is where your customer details and line items live, so the view can pull them in automatically. If you manage multiple pipelines, choose the one with the most up-to-date pricing and contacts to keep everything consistent. Next, click the Updates button on the item you're working on. That opens the context panel for the selected item, which is helpful because any messages, files, or clarifications you've captured there will be easy to reference while you build the quote or invoice. Now add the view. At the top of the board, choose Add View. Views don't change your data. They simply give you a different lens, and this one is dedicated to documents. From the gallery, select Quotes and Invoices, the new version. This option formats information from your board into a professional quote or invoice without leaving Monday.com. Click Create to add it to the board. You can rename or pin it later so your team can find it quickly. If the option isn't visible, check that you're on a board where apps are allowed, or ask your workspace admin to enable the feature. You're ready to build. The view opens with a template where you can set your company details and branding, choose the recipient, and assemble the line items. If your board already has columns for item name, description, quantity, unit cost, tax, or discount, map them here, and the table will pre-fill. You can also add or edit rows manually. Choose the correct currency, tweak tax rates, and include payment terms, a due date, and any notes your client needs to approve. Add a short summary or scope, so expectations are crystal clear. Take a moment to review totals and formatting. Use Preview to see exactly what your client will receive. If you create similar documents often, save your layout as a reusable template to keep your branding and structure consistent across the team. When everything looks right, use the view's built-in options to send or export. You can email it directly from the view, share a secure link, or download a PDF to attach through your preferred channel. The action is recorded alongside the item, keeping your team aligned. After a quote is accepted, duplicate it, switch the document type to invoice, and update any final amounts so you don't retype data. That's it. You opened your board, brought up updates for context, added the Quotes and Invoices view, created it, and then built a polished document ready to send, all inside Monday.com.